Hi, welcome back. Today I'm making a simple, short and very interesting tutorial on how to connect Bluetooth headphones with your Windows PC. I know. You definitely know how to do that, but I'm making this video for those who have never or who want to know how to connect that with a Windows PC. So Windows 10 and Windows 11 basically share the same interface, and therefore this tutorial can be used for both of them. Let's get in. So first thing first, turning on the Bluetooth both in your PC and the headphone that you want to connect to. So the simplest way of turning Bluetooth on in Windows 11 is you go to this region that has all the switches, and here you have your Bluetooth. You can turn it on. So like right now it's off, so you can turn it on by just clicking on Bluetooth switch. So right now it's on. Another way you can be able to turn it on is right clicking on that switch, and then you go to settings. There you go. So we have Bluetooth. If it was off, it would be like this. You want it on, so you just toggle it on. So the other method you can be able to turn it on is you press on Windows key and look for Bluetooth. You just search, you type on Bluetooth. So to show Bluetooth and other devices, you hit on enter. You'll go to exactly the same place. So you can decide to turn it on or off depending on what you want to do. And by this time, make sure that your headphone is already on and the Bluetooth is in pairing mode. So the next thing is you click on add device, and then you'll have this first option. Click on Bluetooth and it will start scanning. So as you can see, ours is showing up. If you have several devices, they will all list themselves here. First one is my device, so I click on it and it will start connecting, and we are connected. You can go ahead and click on done and you're totally connected. Some other times, and especially when you are connecting a new device, it will ask you for the permission to pair. So in that case, you will have to allow for it to pair, otherwise it will not connect. You might at one point maybe decide, for example, you want to use your headset because it has an inbuilt microphone for Zoom meeting and other virtual meetings that maybe you want to use your microphone. In that case, you come to this point, you right click on the speaker icon and then sound setting, and then as you can see, you will have your Bluetooth devices listed here. For our output, remember we chose our headphones, and for our input we might decide to use the headset, and it will use your headset microphone as the input. Right now I'm not planning to use it, so I'll leave the default. So the next video that I'm going to make about Bluetooth will be connecting more than one device and streaming audio to all of them. So thanks for watching. Turn the notification on so that you don't miss that and many other videos that are coming up. See you there.